The Federal High Court for Abuja don adjourn the case wey dey accuse former Kogi State Governor Gov Bello of money laundering to March 7, 2025 for continuation of the trial. On Thursday, the EFCC lawyer Kemi Piheru SAN bring their subpoenaed witness Williams Abibola wey be compliance officer from United Bank for Africa UBA. She tok say dem serve subpoena to bring Marcelina Njoku bank account statement for 2019 to 2020 and she show dem certificate of compliance. Our Abuja Tori person Omone Momo Konyan say Abibola con testify say Abdulsalam Hudu withdraw 10 million naira 10 times on December 12, 2018 with checks for the bank. But when defense lawyer Joseph Dauda SAN cross-examine am, she con confirm say Gov Bello name no show for the Kogi Government House bank account document. She come also talk say she no be the account officer for that account and the account no dey for Abuja. Dauda come ask her say whether her role as a compliance officer no be to protect the bank's legal penalty, reputational damage and financial loss. She come answer yes. She come also identify 3 persons wey sign for the account but talk say Gov Bello name no dey among them for the account opening documents and statement exhibit. Dauda come finish in cross-examination. During re-examination, Piheru SAN come ask Abimbola about one signature wey she no accept before, but under questioning she come agree say she sign on behalf of Edward Banaga. Dauda come object, talk say the witness admission fit still dey challenged. He come cross-examine her again, make she confirm say she no be Edward Banaga. The prosecution also bring Nicholas Ohehomo from America International School wey confirm the school records for the defendant children including admissions and payment receipts. Exhibit 12P come also dey submitted wey be contractual agreement for post-paid school fees. The prosecution come present one letter from the EFCC to AIS Abuja through the registrar wey dem mark Exhibit 18 and one account come dey provided by the EFCC for a refund. The court come adjourn city until March 7, 2025 by 10 o'clock for morning for the continuation of the trial. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.